Hello and welcome once again in our new session where we are discussing most important topics of social science, particularly the topics of geography section. And in today's session, I have come up with most important topic that's known as what are various effects for the conservation of forests. We will discuss the question from both aspects with regard to the long answer type and the MCQ type of question. So generally, what are the effects of conservation of forests? As we know, the importance of the conservation of forests on the human and animal life. Generally, we can say that we cannot imagine the life patterns of humans, animals, and other species on the globe, on the earth, without conserving our valuable forests. So, generally, conservation of forests it is a practice of planting more and more trees and protecting the forest areas for the sustainable or for the sustainability of future generations. So it is a simple and straightforward definition which we must analyze in order to understand the conservation of effects for the conservation of forests. So generally, in general terms, we can say that the effects of the conservation of forests it implies or it means planting more and more trees with the passage of time and protecting the forest areas for the sustainability of the future generations. So, what are the various benefits we can say that while conserving the forest areas? The first and the foremost point which gets implied while conserving the forest is that it helps preserves our life support system or life support of different patterns of life support system because it is because of the conservation of forests that we get fresh air. It helps us in maintaining the soil nutrients. It also helps us, the humans and the animals, to get clean and fresh water. So it is the most important and valuable point which we must analyze while going through this topic. So we can say that it preserves our life support system. And number second, it helps us in preserving ecological diversity. Though it helps us, it also helps us in preserving the ecological diversity, which is a very basic or fundamental need in order to sustain the life and to form the sustainability of the future generations. Number third, it has a economical importance. Why? Because the fossil fuels we get from the forests immense importance, and it helps us in maintaining or developing our standard of life, or it enhances our standard of life. So it has the economical importance also. Number next, it helps out in keeping our environment clean, which protects us from various kinds of diseases and other ailments. So we can generally sum up this topic by saying that with the passage of time we must plant more and more trees for the benefit of our own selves, for the benefit of our biodiversity, for the benefit of our maintaining the ecological balance, and also for the benefit of our maintaining the sustainability of the future generations. And with that, I conclude this topic, and tomorrow we will discuss another important topic with regard to the geography and with regard to this chapter. Until then, take care. Goodbye.